Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the new AI image to video feature in Filmora. So this is an absolutely sick feature they added. So let's get started. Alright, so we can find this new AI image to video feature right here. Or you can find it in the media section right here. So after going to this section, you can find many different modes, such as hug, AI fight, smoke escape, and many more. And also you can make video using a custom prompt as well. So first I'm going to show you how to use these modes. So I select this one, the hug your love mode. Then in here you can add your images, so I'm going to use these two images to create the video, so I add this image first. So after adding the image, a new window opens like this. Then in here we have two modes called single image and stitch mode. For example, if you have both people in the same frame, you can go with the single image. So here I'm going to use two different images, so I'm going with the stitch mode. So then you can adjust this selection like this. Okay, then I add my second image. Okay, after adding the images, you can select the resolution you want. So here we have landscape and portrait. So I'm going with the landscape. So after everything is set up, click submit. Okay, now we can generate the video, so let's generate this. Alright, now our video is generated, so let's see what we got. This is absolutely stunning. So you see the first image background, the people walking, and vehicles moving. Also the second image, you can see her facial reaction, like her look at him, and the smile. It looks so real. So the only thing I see as an issue is the hand. The fingers do not look good. So that's a common thing in AI generating, but overall this looks so great. So this is the first example of this feature. So let's try another one. So this time I'm going to use custom. So for this one I'm going to use this image. Then like before you can set up these settings you need. Then here you can add your prompt here, so I type a simple prompt like drinking a Coca-Cola. Then I click generate. Alright, so let's see the result. You can see the color style is different, but it generates what we need, and also the can looks similar to a Coca-Cola can. This is so good. So guys, that's all about the new image to video feature in Filmora. This feature is absolutely sick. I tried different images with this feature, and it gives awesome and funny results. So now you can try this feature in Filmora. So that's pretty much in this video. If you enjoy it, please leave a like on this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay awesome, stay safe, and be creating.